Ferrowheel Dual Electric Toothbrushes, powerful cleaning with 5 modes, smart timer, 10 brush heads and 2 travel cases, rechargeable whitening sonic toothbrush for adults and kids, USB fast charge. Powerful dentist-like cleaning with 40,000 micro brushes per minute. Enjoy clean and healthy teeth in 7 days and improve gum and oral health in 14 days. Get a thorough cleaning with reduced noise, an overall upgrade over other regular electric toothbrushes. The 2-minute smart timer with interval pausing every 30 seconds encourages a dentist-recommended clean. 5 high-performance brushing modes to suit different conditions of teeth and gums. A 55-gram extra lightweight design that is less than half the weight of many other electric toothbrushes. Waterproof so it can be used in the bath and shower. 1 4-hour charge lasts 30 days, compatible with any power source with an auto shut-off after a full charge and a low battery reminder. The long battery life is supported by USB charging. This electric toothbrush is convenient to use at home or travel. Bring it on any trip with the easy-to-use adapter and USB cable. Ferrowheel's electric toothbrushes for 2. The model FW507 is a combination white and crystal black. It is a 2-pack set toothbrush, suitable for families, especially for couples. It has 10 brush heads with various levels of stiffness for a cleaner, healthier and more hygienic brushing experience. The Ferrowheel electric toothbrush also included 2 toothbrush heads hygienic protective cover to offer well-rounded protection on your brush heads, hygienic and dust-free. 10 DuPont brush heads and 2 travel cases included. There is a rounded bristle top for safety and gentleness. The brush heads will remind you to replace your brush head through blue indicator bristles. With 10 brush heads that lasts 3 months each, they will last you for over 30 months. This is a good option for families. It's perfect for. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.